So hello guys, my name is Michael. I'm a professional trader in the Forex field together with binary options. For those who don't know me, I have been in trading for 7 years and I began from the time when I don't have even money. Now this is my professional sphere. I dedicate all my time to the trading. This is my bread and I decided to share my skills, my knowledge in this sphere with you to help everyone start trading and to gain so much money as possible, because I know that most of you want to finally forget about your current work, forget about day-to-day business when you need to wake up too early with the purpose of receiving just 20, 30, 50 or even $100 per day. That's not the money for me now, and I will show you why. Today I'm going to show you a very simple strategy for the binary options where you can get from simply $1 you can get $3,000 in just 15 minutes. That's possible, that's not a joke, that's not a fraud, that's a real trading strategy for the binary options, as I have already told you. You can see this by your own eyes and I will show this to you. Before I start, don't forget to check the description to this video. Here we'll find attached comments where you can find the link for my personal private channel with all information, with all promo codes, with all necessary information and different tricks that will help you to earn more and to be successful in the field of trading. Okay, now I suppose that we finally start our work. As I have already told you, I trade on the Quotex platform. Today we start from the deposit of simply $2. We will start from the Euro GPI pair and we will use MACD indicator for our strategy. Our purpose, our goal for today is to use a very short time period of just 1 minute. We will follow the current trade that we observe. For now, this is a strong sell position and we have opened a sell order. Now we're going to wait for the ending of our time period. It will be very soon. We will always put the investment of our whole deposit. For example, now we open the trade of $2 and we just need to wait until the ending of our time period. Okay guys, so that's it. We received a little profit and we should proceed further. As I have already told you, we use MACD indicator for our today's strategy. This indicator shows us the movement of our current trend. It also shows us the changes in the current trades. Now we proceeded to our DCHF pair. And we opened one more position. Now this is a buy position because we can observe a strong buy trend. And the time period is also very short, about 1 minute. So I will continue. MACD indicator shows us the movement of our current trend, and tomorrow it shows us the changes in the current trend. If trend changes, we can easily see this and change our strategy to change it from buy to sell or from sell to buy, etc. Okay, so once again we did it. We earn $6.41, so Our current profit is approximately $4.50. We continue. We open one more trade, and we change our pair from AUD-CHF to USD Brazil Real. We opened one more trade with investment of $5. As you can see, we opened a buy order because we can observe that the trend is upgoing. We can see the strong buy trend and the upgoing trend, and it will continue, so we can be sure that we will once again be in profit. And now we can see this clearly. Okay guys, so yes, once again this is our profit, and we continue. I know when we start from the small deposit, we need some time to make it bigger so that our revenue would be bigger also. And we need to spend some time to upgrade it. I think when we have at least $100 or $200, it will be much easier to gain more, to earn more. Yep, we opened one more trade, one more buy order with the same short time period of 1 minute. Yep, we once again did it. We got our revenue, we got our money. And we are opening one more trade with an investment of $34. Now we are going to open a sell position because I predict that now we will see a strong sell movement. Yes, and we see it. Okay guys, so once again we received our profit. One more trade for us to come. We open a Euro GPI pair and we opened a sell position, a sell trade with the same short time period. So as you can see, the strategy is quite simple and you can use it anytime you want. Moreover, it helps you to easily start trading with a small deposit. Yep, we did it once again. And we are going to open one more trade with investment of $110. We opened a buy order because we can observe A strong buy trend which will continue now. It's a 100% deal. Without any possible mistakes. The one more benefits of this strategy, of this plan of our investment, is that you use only $2 in the beginning, and I think that $2 is not a serious sum for anyone. So you can just invest $2 and try to understand how it works, and then receive $2,000 that I will show you today. Now we already have $213 on our account, and we continue to earn more. All that you need is to use a misleading indicator for the trading plan. We proceed to USD BRL currency pair. Now we're going to open one more trade. I think it will be a sell trade. So we open the sell position with the same short time period. Everything is quite simple. Don't forget to always check MACD indicator, which is situated in the left corner on the left side of your screen. It will always show you the continuation of current trend and the time when this trend changes. Yep, we did it. We have already earned $675. However, we started with just only $2 in our pocket. That's amazing. So now we are going to open one more trade, one more sell position. Because as you can see, okay, I suppose that we change the pair. Here we can also observe a strong sell trade, a strong sell trend. I suppose that we open a sell position with the investment again of $675, and so we did it. We opened it and we start earning money. So let's just wait a little bit till the trade is closed and we receive our profit. Okay guys, now you can see that we finally reached we have finally reached the serious sum. A little, however, it's still very little, very small, but we have it. At least we have 1,200, even $1,300. So now I think that we should open the last trade for today. Here we can see the strong buy movement, the strong buy position, and I think that we should open a buy trade. We did it, and I hope that this will be our last trade for today, and I will easily show you that we have earned from just $2 $2,000. So let's just wait a little bit till the trade is closed. Okay guys, so we did it, we finally did it. Our last trade is closed and we have earned $2,000. However, we started from simply $2. What can I tell you? While looking, while checking my video, you understood that we use only one indicator, which is called MACD indicator. As I told you in the very beginning, this indicator shows us movement of the current trend and the time when it changes. It's a very simple trick that can help you to earn great sums in the binary options trading. I always use it and it really works and helps me. So what I offer you to try this yourself and to share the results in the comments below this video. Moreover, please don't forget to check the description in this video where, as I told you in the very beginning, you can find the link for my private channel where you can find all information concerning binary options trading, concerning forex trading, and together with this you can receive the promo code for Quotex for any other company that I use for my trading business. Okay guys, so thank you for your attention. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I'm waiting for your results in the comments below this video. Thanks you once again and have a nice day.